Today, I'm going to show you some simple solutions that can help you generate more mortgage leads. But first, I want to show you something on Google. When you go into Google and start to search mortgage, the first thing that populates is mortgage calculator, and the second thing is mortgage rates. And you can see there's a couple of different variations of that down the list, but this is what is most commonly searched in Google today. So when you're looking to generate more mortgage leads, you need to be found. So when people are Googling these terms, you need to pop up. Now I'm going to show you some simple solutions to help you do that. Let's go take a look. Now, since most corporate websites or branch websites aren't geared toward generating leads for the individual loan officer, that's why I created this mortgage website template that mortgage loan officers can customize and set up with these really cool tools like the Homebuyer Program Finder funnel, as well as the instant rate quote funnel. So check it out. When somebody lands on your page, they could instantly go to the rate quote funnel and they could see, get your instant rate quote. What's the purpose? So let's just go ahead and whip through this real quick, right? So these are just some basic questions that are great for leads to give us, to tell us what kind of mortgage they're looking to get. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in my information here. And there we go. My conventional loan rate. Now this page is really easy to customize. All you got to do is log into the builder and change this part right here. But look at this. Here's your disclosures down at the bottom saying, hey, there's no guarantee you could get this rate. It depends upon credit scores, loan to value, property type, and many other factors. But now here are the other things. So we talked about how you could be found with your rate quotes funnel. And now you can also have mortgage calculators right on your page that people can access when they ask for their instant rate quote. Now the cool thing is they can also find them right here on the menu. The mortgage calculator, the refinance, and the debt to income ratio qualifier calculator. So let's go take a look at that. The DTI calculator is awesome. I created this using ChatGPT specially for this website. So basically you can come in here, read the instructions, and go ahead and let's go ahead and put in your gross annual income. Let's just say you make 89 grand a year. You've got a car payment of about 600. Your credit cards are 250. I'm just going to whip through this real quick. And look at that, it gives me all of the information here. After I hit the calculate button, it tells me what my down payment is, what my monthly income is, my total monthly debts, my loan amount, the mortgage payment, the total PITI, and my debt to income ratio right here. Now, of course, up here, it tells me, the guide says that between 36 and 43% is manageable. So here with this scenario, 59 would not be manageable. But again, we're giving people the opportunity to get the instant rate quote down here and to use the mortgage program finder. Now this is another feature that's built into this website. And if you'll notice back here on the home page, it's right here prominently displayed. Hey, are you looking to figure out what homebuyer program you might qualify for? Well, what we can do is go ahead and ask some simple questions and find out. Now, this gives us tailored responses based on what we put in. So here you can see the video results as well as written results. So I indicated that my credit score might be over 620 and that my household income is over 60K. That's good news. Having a score above 600 can go a long way, and it tells me that I can potentially qualify for different things, but we need to check, some different things before we can give you a really good result. But check it out. Here's an entertaining video that can be fully customized. You know, if the annual income needs to be above 60,000 for you to have good news for somebody, that's not a problem. So this video pops up, tells people about the results from their homebuyer quiz, so to speak, and then it offers them the mortgage calculator and the qualifier calculator here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the mortgage calculator. So you can see if I put in here 420,000, I can either put in a percentage or a dollar amount. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in 3.5%. My mortgage rate at 6. Let me just go ahead and get this information in here. And then calculate. And boom, there's my results. Looks like I made the mortgage amount too small. Let's go ahead and recalculate that. There we go. So now it's $420,000 purchase price. Let's go ahead and do that again. There we go. $420,000 purchase price. There's my down payment, my loan amount, my PI, and then there's my taxes and insurance for the total principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Now, if you'll notice, having tools like this on your website will keep people there longer. So now they're getting to know you, like you, and trust you a little bit, and they're going to click around a little bit here and see what's going on, right? Here's market news, loan programs. So let's just go ahead and take a look. Oh, look, you've got a zero down program, right? Everybody's talking about the United Wholesale Mortgage zero down, where you get up to $15,000 with no interest and no payments until the end of the loan. And check it out. You can get program details instantly. Now, this is not included in the template, but it is something really cool that you can do. You can put an AI bot in your website right here behind this funnel that opens up in Facebook Messenger, and it's actually connected to ChatGPT so people can get answers right away. So check it out. As soon as they click, it opens up in Messenger. Boom, there's the zero down payment purchase program. Hey, what questions do you have for me? You know, cool. How does this work? Well, the zero down purchase program works by providing qualified borrowers with a second lien that covers, oh my gosh, gives me all the information right there. And I go, great, I earn 89K. Can I get this? See, and it's so cool because it's connected to ChatGPT. It thinks about the answer and then it gives you an answer based on what it read. So to determine if you qualify, we would need to consider the area median income, which is accurate. We've programmed this thing with the zero down program parameters and lending guidelines so that it can give people great answers. Now check it out. I can get rates, I can have a live chat, or I can ask another question. So isn't that cool? These different things that you can have on your website are going to help you generate leads. All right, so now I'm going to show you. I got an email notification saying that my rate quote request gave me a form submission, and you can see all of the answers that I provided in that quiz right there with all my contact information, my email, my name, and there's all the information that it asked me. And there's another email that came through, and this one's for the homebuyer programs. So it's a different funnel. Remember how I went through two of them? And look at that. All the information is right there. The long form lead, all the information is right there. My phone number, my name, my email, all that stuff is right there. So that's really cool, right? You get your email notifications, and on top of it all, this whole website is set up with a CRM. So check it out. The contacts populate right in here as soon as somebody engages with your website. And of course, what website wouldn't be complete if it didn't have an appointment widget as well as emails and automations, so you can set up email autoresponder campaigns right inside the platform, all within one place. Now, I haven't even told you about how you could use the blog to help you generate more leads, because you could be writing blog posts about how current rates are right now, whether they're going up, whether they're going down, things that people need to take into consideration when they're looking to buy or sell a house or even refinance a house. And these things will help boost your search engine optimization rankings, and you can put those same buttons right here in your blog posts. you can have your different funnels right in here. So if somebody finds your blog post is now the right time to buy, you can have the Homebuyer Program Finder or the Instant Rate Quote right here in your blog post. So now you could be using your blog as a lead magnet to drive people to your lead generating funnels right here within the website that all connect up to your CRM and your email marketing platform. So these are some simple tools that you can use to help you generate more leads right on your mortgage website. You can use social media campaigns to help drive people to your website. You can generate blog posts about rates and your mortgage calculators right on your website so that it boosts your search engine rankings and more people find you when they organically search for you. And then if you want to get really crazy, you can turn those blog posts that you wrote on AI, right? Because ChatGPT will write your blog posts for you. You can turn those into YouTube videos and start your YouTube channel. So now you've got another way to generate free organic leads through people searching for you and finding you. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and give us a like, and please consider subscribing because I'm going to be delivering more information like this that's going to help you generate leads.